Hi, I'm Craig from Furniture Clinic, and in this video we're going to look at our leather protection cream. First things first, I'm going to show you how to use a protection cream at this stage before explaining why you should use it, as it does take a few minutes to dry. Simply add a little bit of the protection cream to a clean cloth. Only a small amount is needed, as it does go a long way. Then simply rub it onto the surface of the leather, making sure to apply a nice even coat and that any build-up is smoothed over. This first piece is actually an aniline leather, a fairly common type of leather that is highly absorbent. As the product soaks in, it may darken the leather slightly but will revert to its original colour when dry. This second piece is pigmented leather, by far the most common type used on furniture and car interiors, which is not absorbent. This is because it's coloured with a surface coating and a clear lacquer. I've already applied 2 coats to this, and this was the second coat which I applied to the first piece. To fully protect your leather, you should apply 2 coats initially and then top it up with 1 coat every 3 months. I'll be coming back to these shortly to demonstrate how effective the protection cream actually is. So, the leather protection cream introduces 5 key benefits to your leather. It contains a natural blend of oils and waxes perfectly formulated to feed and nourish, preventing the leather from drying out and becoming brittle. It forms a protective barrier which not only makes it easier to clean but holds water and oil-based stains on the surface so they can be easily wiped away without staining the leather. This barrier will also help protect the leather from wear and tear. Generally, when leather is sat on and used, in the case of furniture for example, the leather will become abraded by friction and cause the surface of the leather to become worn. The barrier from the protection cream can help prevent this. Other benefits include UV inhibitors, which will help reduce fading when in direct contact with sunlight. And finally, the leather's protection cream is infused with the leather aroma, which is transferred into your leather when applied, reinstating that new leather smell. So going back to the leather I protected earlier, once dry, take a clean cloth and give it a quick buff. This will help blend in the sheen. If you want it to look shinier, simply add more coats. To demonstrate how effective treating the leather with protection cream can be, I will pour 3 common stains on both the protected and unprotected side of the leather: coffee, oil and red wine. If I try to blot away the stains with a cloth, you can instantly see how on the unprotected side they have been absorbed into the leather, whereas on the protected side the stains are blotted away, leaving only minor traces. This is because the protection cream is holding the residue close to the surface and not deep in the fibre structure of the leather. These traces can be easily cleaned and wiped away with the cleaner included in this kit. Now let's take a look at the pigmented leather and show you what the protection cream can do when it comes to tackling another problem: dye transfer and ink stains. Dye transfer is a type of stain caused by the colour or dye from clothing, for example, leaching out when it comes into contact with leather. This dye will migrate through the coatings of the leather. In essence, it will change the colour of the coating itself. So it's not just a case of simply cleaning it off the surface. Any vigorous cleaning action or harsh chemicals can start to strip the coatings and damage the leather. Ink is a combination of pigments and dyes, and so there's the same type of stain as dye transfer. So for this demonstration, we can see how the leather protection cream can help with stubborn stains like ink and dye transfer. Using the cleaner again, you can see how on the protected side, the stain can easily be removed. This is because the stain is sitting on the barrier the protection cream is providing. So in short, by using the leather protection cream, it will not only make your leather easier to clean and maintain, but will extend its functional life, keeping it looking newer for longer. So why wouldn't you use it? I hope you've enjoyed this video and the demonstrations. If you have any comments or questions about any of our products, please leave a comment below, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.